Habit is an amazing phenomena. Remove H, what remains is a bit. Further, if we remove A, still bit is left. And if we go further and remove B, it is still there. So my friends, once a habit is formed, it is difficult to erase its impacts. Habits don't die easily. Namaskar, welcome to Innovation where knowledge leads the nation. Today we are going to talk about self-management. So basically self-management includes breaking old and unproductive negative habits and creating and strengthening new habits. That's all. But I know आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि भाई साहब कहना बहुत आसान है मगर करना उतना ही मुश्किल. So today I'll share some ideas जो आपकी हेल्प करेंगे इस मुश्किल टास्क को ईजी बनाने में. So what you have to do is, first, be clear about your desired goals and if possible, write your goals on a paper in bold letters and उसे अपने एक रूम में किसी वॉल पे पेस्ट कर लीजिए जहाँ से वो easily visible हो. That paper will remind you what you have to do and will motivate you. Second, as we know, new habits take time to become your routine, so plan everything. Make a timetable or a to-do list and follow that strictly. And do not allow even a single exception until that new habit turns out to be a part of your daily routine. और हाँ, always keep one thing in mind. There is no cheat day in a race of your dreams and your goals. Third, in a case you slip out of track, don't waste your time in regretting or instead keep going on without wasting any more time. Fourth, do not rush. Emphasis has to be done on the quality of work to be performed because if a thing is worth doing, it is worth doing well. Thank you.